Hello dears, welcome to the class of National Health Program. Introduction. After independence, the Government of India launched various national health programs. ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. WHO ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಥರ ಸೆವೆರಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್, ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. Objectives: Gurigal of National Health Programs to reduce the mortality and morbidity, to control and eradicate communicable diseases, to improve environmental sanitation, to improve the standard of nutrition, to control population and the promotion of rural health, to prevent and manage non-communicable diseases, to improve maternal, child and adolescent health, to ensure equitable access to health services, to promote healthy lifestyle and awareness. Now we are seeing general strategies. ಏನೇನು? First one, health promotion. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ what are the elements? Health education, IEC ಮತ್ತು BCC ಅಂದರೆ Information, Education and Communication. BCC ಅಂದರೆ Behavior Change Communication. Second strategy, disease prevention. Elements: immunization, vector control, environmental sanitation, nutrition interventions. Third strategy, early diagnosis and treatment. Elements: screening program, free diagnostics and medicines, and referral services. Fourth strategy, capacity building ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ skill development. Elements: training of health workers, strengthening health infrastructure. Fifth strategy, monitoring and evaluation. Elements: surveillance, data collection and reporting. Now we'll see importance of national health programs. To improve overall health status of the population, reduce health inequalities, strengthen primary health care (PHC), support sustainable development goals (SDGs). Okay. Major national health programs. This part is very good for you because I have divided into major sectors like communicable disease program, non-communicable disease program. This is good for 3-mark sections, short answers. First one, communicable disease programs. National Tuberculosis Elimination Program or Eradication Program, National AIDS Control Program, National Leprosy Eradication Program, National Vector-Borne Disease Control Programs. So 3 marks alli National Health Programs, Communicable Disease Programs anta bandra you can write all those things. Next, non-communicable disease programs. Yavyavdu: National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Diseases and Stroke. National Mental Health Program and National Program for Health Care of Elderly. So next one, maternal and child health programs. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ reproductive, maternal, newborn, child and adolescent health, universal immunization program, ಜನನಿ ಸುರಕ್ಷಾ ಯೋಜನಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜನನಿ ಶಿಶು ಸುರಕ್ಷಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತವೆ. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. Nutrition means National Nutrition Mission, National Tobacco Control Program, a National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment. So now we'll see the role of health inspector, your role in national health programs. An inspector role key role is key field level role. Okay, what are the field level role here? First one, disease surveillance and reporting. Second one, health education and community awareness. Third one, vector control activities. Fourth one, supervision of sanitation and environmental health. Fifth one, assisting in screening and immunization activities. And finally, coordination with ASHA worker and ANM and local bodies. So these are the key field level roles of health inspectors. And thank you so much. Like, subscribe and share. And what is the next topic? You please suggest in comment box. We'll meet you soon.